Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. You've probably seen a video or two about Mombasa. I just wanted to give you a room tour or a house tour of where we've been staying. It's this amazing Airbnb and I just wanted to show you how it looks. But guys, before we do the house tour, if you're not subscribed, why don't you hit the subscribe button below? This will really help to grow the channel. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. It's in Bamburi, Mombasa. We took a 2-bedroom apartment because we are a few people. So without too much rambling, let me show you the Airbnb. So this is the door. When you come in at the door, you come into the sitting room. The sitting room looks like this. It has a couch which is very comfy. It has a TV and a home theater which keeps us entertained. The TV is off right now because I am heading out. It has a table if you like to work. You can work from here, and then it extends to the outside through this balcony. To give you amazing views. This is the kitchen. I love it because of how spacious it is. And then let me show you the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It has a dressing table which you can also use as a working table. Let me take you to the second bedroom. This is the common toilet and the common bathroom. And we are back at the living room. So this Airbnb, as I had said earlier, is in Bamburi, Mombasa. It would be an ideal Airbnb for you if you are on a budget, if you're traveling as a family, if you like a secure place, if you want somewhere with a parking lot, and what else? And if you just generally want a quiet place. So let me know what you think about the Airbnb. Would you actually stay here? And thank you so much for watching till the end. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.